Good morning, students. So we all meet again. Last time we had done history, the French Revolution. Now today, let's take another part of SST, geography. Now as soon as you hear the word geography, lots of maps and all those things must be coming in your mind. And maybe some of you get very confused by the word map, how to read it, how to find out various things. So we will be clearing all those doubts in this class. Now if you will be seeing, this is our earth. Okay. Now the centermost line which is dividing earth from east to west is called as equator. And the centermost line from north to south which divides us is called as zero meridian or Greenwich line. Now, what are these latitudes and longitudes? You must have heard these words. Latitudes. The horizontal lines running parallel to each other on the earth from east to west are called latitudes. Latitudes, leti hui lines. Very easy to understand. Longitude means the same way parallel lines but from north to south. They are called as longitudes. Now let us see India's position on the globe. On our whole earth there are 7 continents. Continent means a huge landmass. So now if you will be seeing easily, clearly, India is there. Now India is coming into Asia continent. Other continents are Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, Antarctica, etc. So India is coming into Asia continent. Now this is the map of India and you can see there are 28 states in our country. Northernmost state, can you see? Northernmost. The top one is always show the north direction. So northernmost state of our country is Jammu and Kashmir. Westernmost, to the west side, it is Gujarat. And easternmost is Arunachal Pradesh. Now let us see some of the neighboring countries with which India is sharing border. The northwestern border is shared by Pakistan. If we come towards the northern side, it is China. Below China is Nepal, then Bhutan. Below that you will be seeing one very just small or mini India, that is Bangladesh. Eastern neighbor is Myanmar. Eastern neighbor means which is sharing border towards the eastern side. And if we go towards the south, there is a small island country, that is Sri Lanka. Okay students, now let's find out some more details about our country. I hope you all must be liking it very much. Okay. Now you can see there are 3 water bodies surrounding India. Western side or southwestern side is Arabian Sea. Southeastern side is Bay of Bengal. And to the south side, do you remember? Yes, it is Indian Ocean. Now if you will be seeing the map very carefully, from north to south one straight line is being shown. Now this is the north to south length of India. It is approximately 3000 kilometers. But if you will be seeing accurately, it is 3214 kilometers. Same way from east to west also one more line is shown. Approximately that is also 3000 kilometers, but accurately it is 2933 kilometers. So we can see India is such a huge country. 3200 kilometers from north to south and east to west around 2900 kilometers. Now you can see one more line is there where it is written the Indian Standard Meridian. It is also called as the Indian timeline. It is coming on 82.5 degree east. Now from the centermost of India one line is going which is dividing India into two parts. This is Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Cancer is dividing India into two halves or two parts. So did you like today's information which you have got? Now let's see the exercise which you all will be doing at home. We have to name all the states which are sharing border with our neighboring countries. Do you remember just now we had discussed the neighboring countries of India? They are Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Okay? Now which states are sharing border with them? I'll give you an explanation about one country so that you'll get the idea, and remaining you will be doing on your own. Now if we see Pakistan, which states are sharing border with Pakistan? We start from northernmost. Jammu Kashmir, just below that Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. So is there any other state also? No. So this way we can say Pakistan is sharing border with four states. They are Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Same way now you will be making one table, and in that you will be writing the other neighboring countries' names and the states which are sharing border with them. Okay?